guys, today I'm going to show you how to shade your Starburst letters. So last time we decided what letters were going to represent what color, or we knew our second color. I hope you guys have had time to think about a color scheme. You can totally do this in black and white, or you can do this in white and a color, or two different colors. I'm going to go ahead and do mine in black and white, but again, you guys can do it in two different colors if you'd like. So I'm going to recommend that we actually go ahead and erase some of those lines lightly. I can still see them even though I erased them. One thing that I noticed and I kind of forgot about is the fact that when we color over the pencil with marker, in the light you can still kind of see the pencil. So you want to just lightly erase our darker lines just so we don't get that shine. It's mostly just the graphite that shines through the black marker, but I can still see what lines I decided to do what. So we're gonna go ahead and start in the middle. I remember V I said was gonna be my dark color, so I'm gonna go ahead and outline it first. I like to outline it first so I can get those crisp, sharp lines. I kind of made it a little too low, but we can fix it and just make this line a little bit straighter. And now we fill it in. My marker's kind of dying, so I have to keep switching between two different markers. Alright, you're gonna go and continue this pattern all where you put your dark your second color, or just follow the pattern of alternating lines, alternating colors, you know, skipping one, coloring one, skipping one, and coloring one. Again, going through. Just like that. Now, my brain is, oh, sorry. So remember that when now that I finished this, when we are filling in our lines, the one line crossing our letter will not be this color. It'll be a different color. That's why I have W instead of V. I'm going to go ahead and erase that right now. And I might actually make that a color because I don't want it to be just white. So yeah. Probably let's do, I want to do it in this gold colored pencil that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and trace the line, following the line I made with my black marker. I have some bumps on my table, so I want to make sure that doesn't show up in my picture. Now I color in. I'm coloring a little bit heavy because I want there to be a really cool shine in there. But again, remember, we're not coloring outside the lines. We have to work really neatly and carefully to make our craftsmanship really nice and neat. I'm going to go ahead and fix my line up a little bit right here. Alright. Just trying to cover up any white spots that I see. Okay, so I have that. I'm going to continue the black from outside of our letter. Continuing the lines from our letter, though. Going all the way down. And doing the same thing over here. Continuing that line. All the way down. I'm going to go ahead and outline this part too. And I'm going to go ahead and erase that line that I made earlier. I don't want that graphite peeking through. I have a big Sharpie this time to get this big area. We're going to be careful still around those sharp lines. Again, try to be real careful with that line. I'm using the thinnest edge on my big my thicker marker. And continue that line over here. I don't want this to appear curved anyway, so I'm fixing a line because it was starting to look a little curved. And that's how you do it all the way through. And we're going to do that completely through for the Starburst letter. So the next line I'm going to do is actually gold on the inside, black on the letter, and then gold on the outside. So I'm actually going to go do this in, what is it called? Hyperlapse. Sped up, and then we'll see what it looks like. When we continue these lines, this is kind of what it looks like. I'm actually going to go over this line here because I was using two different markers. You kind of see it made a little division, so I'm going to go over that again. But yes, just continue through. Remember to erase your letter before you draw into it, just because you don't want that reflective shininess. Yeah, so hopefully this was what's the word I'm looking for? Hopefully this was helpful. I will have step-by-step instructions like always. And good luck on these. They're gonna look so awesome.